Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Either you run the day or the day runs you. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. We must all suffer one of two things, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret or disappointment. For things to change, you have to change. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Focus on the solution, not on the problem. You have two choices: you can make a living, or you can design a life. Don't wish for less problems, wish for more skills. If you don't like how things are, change it. You are not a tree. You don't get paid for the hour. You get paid for the value you bring to the hour. Success is doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. When you know what you want, and you want it bad enough, you'll find a way to get it. The difference between where you are today and where you'll be 5 years from now will be found in the quality of books you've read. The more you know, the less you need to say. Successful people have libraries. The rest have big screen TVs. Your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. Happiness is not by chance, but by choice. Time is more value than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. You must either modify your dreams or magnify your skills. The major key to your better future is you. If you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Don't let your learning lead to knowledge. Let your learning lead to action. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Success is something you attract by the person you become. You cannot change your destination overnight. You can change your direction. Without a sense of urgency, desire loses its value. The few who do are the envy of the many who only watch. Miss a meal if you have to, but don't miss a book. Learn how to be happy with what you have while you pursue all that you want. One of the greatest gifts you can give to anyone is the gift of attention. Leadership is the challenge to be something more than average. Leadership is the challenge to be something more than average. Motivation alone is not enough. If you have an idiot and you motivate him, now you have a motivated idiot. Discipline weighs ounces and regret weighs tons. Success is neither magical nor mysterious. Success is the natural consequence of consistently applying basic fundamentals. Unless you change how you are, you will always have what you've got. Now is the time to fix the next 10 years. The best motivation is self-motivation. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future, it is something you design for the present. Only by giving are you able to receive more than you already have. Whatever good things we build end up building us. It isn't what the book costs. It's what it will cost you if you don't read it. We generally change ourselves for one of two reasons: inspiration, or desperation. The ultimate reason for setting goals is to entice you to become the person it takes to achieve them. Activity leads to productivity. Finding is reserved for those that search. We can have more than we've got because we can become more than we are. Don't just read the easy stuff. You may be entertained by it, but you will never grow from it. You cannot make progress without making decisions. Those who will not read are no better off than those who cannot read. Success recipe: 2 cups faith, 2 cups love, 1 cup hard work, 1 cup persistence, 1 tablespoon vision, and a dash of swagger. If you want to have more, you have to become more. I will take care of me for you, if you will take care of you for me. The major value in life is not what you get. The major value in life is what you become. Managers help people see themselves as they are. Leaders help people to see themselves better than they are. Commit yourself to something bigger than yourself. My father taught me to always do more than you get paid for as an investment in your future. Discipline is the foundation upon which all success is built. Lack of discipline inevitably leads to failure. Effective communication is 20% what you know and 80% how you feel about what you know. What is powerful is when what you say is just the tip of the iceberg of what you know. The book you don't read can't help. Affirmation without discipline is the beginning of delusion. For every disciplined effort there is a multiple reward. You can't hire someone else to do your push-ups for you. Start from wherever you are and with whatever you've got. If you just communicate, you can get by. But if you communicate skillfully, you can work miracles. I'm working full-time on my job and part-time on my fortune. Giving is better than receiving because giving starts the receiving process. Service to others leads to greatness. Learn to hide your need and show your skill. The rich invest their money and spend what is left. The poor spend their money and invest what is left. When you invest in people and lift them toward their potential, they will love you for it. The walls we build around us to keep sadness out also keeps out the joy. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight.